my name is John Grzan, and I'm the owner of Zippswitch products. I'm here today to demonstrate one of our safety mats. We're going to do a durability test. We're going to do a couple of things. First thing is we're going to do is smash it with a sledgehammer. Then we're going to drop a cinder block on it, and then we're going to run over it with my truck. So this is just to demonstrate how well designed our products are and can hand up to very stressful abuses. Okay, I'm going to attach this this beeper basically just to show that we're having continuity on the switch mat. So test that out. Okay, now we're going to do the sledgehammer test. Okay, that was the sledgehammer test. And as you can see, the mat is still working. We still get full activation on the mat, which is good. I just put this down. Now Jim's going to help me bring over the ladder. And the reason for the ladder is I want to get some really good height when we drop this cinder block. And Jim, hand me the cinder block. Okay, so here we go. This is a big cinder block, and I'm going to just drop it right on the mat. Now you see, we destroyed the cinder block, and the switch mat still works. The reason why it was active is because the weight of the cinder block. That was the cinder block test, part A, and obviously the switch mat still works, it functions fine, there's no problem with it. What we're going to do is the other half of the cinder block that didn't smash into 20 pieces, I'm going to actually get back on the ladder and drop it from a higher distance. So Jim, if you can hand me the cinder block again. And I'm going to try to get way up here on the ladder. So I'm going to drop this now. So here we go. That was a good impact. And you can see that the switch mat is still functioning. In fact, when I dropped the cinder block here, the actual corner hit first, so really good test. Everything's good. Now what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go out and grab my pickup truck, and I'm going to just drive over the mat, and Jim's going to clear away some of the stuff while I get prepared. He'll reposition it, and then we'll just drive over it just to show that it can handle a pretty heavy weight of a pickup truck. Okay, here you can see that the switch mat has the truck on it, and it's active because of the weight of the truck. And now I'm going to reverse the truck, and we'll see if the switch mat is still working. Okay, well, we've done a pretty destructive test to this little switch mat here. So you can see it's still active. I mean, it's very sensitive. You know, we're getting, you know, finger activation across the entire surface. You know, there's really no dead spaces. You know, it took us a while to develop this technology, and we're really proud of it. And you know, we're hoping that customers will see this demonstration and think about using zip switches in their applications. Thank you very much, and I appreciate your time. For more information on our switch mats and our other switching products, check out zippswitch.com.